Welcome to the screencast on keyword groups and keywords in Transana. This screencast will discuss how to set up your coding system. In Transana, you define your coding system by creating a set of keywords, and you apply coding to your data through the process of creating quotes, clips, and snapshots, and assigning keywords to these data selections. In this demonstration, we want to analyze video of a math lesson that teaches geometry concepts through an activity that involves creating and manipulating quilt squares. We want to code for math concepts such as symmetry and flipping of quilt squares, a common activity in this lesson. We also want to code for teaching techniques such as demonstration and inquiry. While we can add new keywords at any stage in the analytic process, let's go ahead and create some keywords for these concepts now. In Transana, all keywords are stored in keyword groups. This allows us to organize our codes into groups rather than keeping all of our codes in a single list, which can get long and unwieldy. So the first step of adding a keyword in Transana is to create a keyword group in which it belongs, if that keyword group doesn't already exist. We'll start by going to Transana's data window, right-clicking on the keywords node in the database tree, and selecting Add Keyword Group from the pop-up menu. Now, we simply type in the name of our keyword group, Math Concepts. Then we'll press OK to complete the process. To add a keyword to the keyword group, we right-click the keyword group and choose Add Keyword from the pop-up menu. Transana displays the Add Keyword form. Under Keyword, we'll enter the term up flip as a concept that we know appears in the video and that we want to code. It's a good practice to create good keyword definitions when you're adding your keywords. While you know what you mean by a keyword when you create it, it's not always easy to remember the subtleties of what you meant after several months, or to explain your coding scheme to colleagues, so we'll take a moment to add a keyword definition. If we would like this keyword to be consistently associated with a particular color in Transana's maps and graphs, we can set the default color here. If we would like to have consistent coding across a set of still images or PDFs, we could also specify the code tool, the line width, and the line style to be used by default when applying detailed coding to snapshots. Let's specify the color blue, but we'll leave the remaining items blank, and we'll press OK to save the keyword. While we're at it, let's add a downflip keyword to our Math Concepts group. Similarly, let's add information to our Teaching Techniques keyword group. We'll right-click the Keywords node and add a keyword group we'll call Teaching Techniques. And then we'll add a keyword for demonstration. And for inquiry. We can always expand the list of keywords later in the analytic process, but this at least gives us a place to start our analysis.